Okay guys, I have 2016 Ford Focus here, 60 something thousand miles, and the car just quit starting. And look what it says. It says no key detected. No key detected. Let me show you something. Here is the air cleaner box. Here is the battery. Here is the fuse box here. You see this number 2 from the left, 50 amp, this one. The first one is 100, the second one is 50 amp fuse. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna jump it. You see, I was lucky. My car quit working on the parking of the Hardware Plus store. Look what I did. I just bought 1 foot of wire with connection. So I'm gonna have to jump this number 2 from the left, 50 amp fuse, and see what's gonna happen. Stay tuned. Okay, as you see, I have jumped it, and let's go get inside the car and start and check if it's gonna start. Look, starts right up. See? If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. So if you have same issue, all you need to do, go to the auto store, buy this fuse 50 amp, replace, and you're good to go. Please thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Bye now.